Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter from the book Flamingo. This is the first chapter of that book in the prose section. The name of this chapter is The Last Lesson. Students, this chapter is written by Alphonse Daudet. Here you can see that this Daudet word is ending with the consonant sound T. But before T there is a vowel, and in French language if a word is ending with a consonant sound and having a vowel in front of that, then the consonant sound is omitted and just we will say Daudet. So this chapter is written by one of the very famous French novelist and short writer, Alphonse Daudet. Students, this writer is a very famous writer. He had started the career, Alphonse Daudet had started the career as a journalist in Paris, and he had experienced the Franco-German War, that famous war, that great war, which was led by Otto von Bismarck and which was won by the German. That war is experienced by this author, and because he was a journalist, so he had experienced the war very closely, and he had seen lots of ups and downs in the life of the French people. So in his stories, in his short stories and the novels, you can easily find the impact of that great war, Franco-German War. So in this story, we will see the impact of the war and in the common life. Okay, Alphonse Daudet, influenced by the war, Franco-German War, and his famous works are Les Ambroses. This is the collection of the poems. Les Petits Choux. This is the story, and of course, the last lesson, what we are going to start. So, you must know, students, when we talk about French English, we must know a name which is G.D. Maupassant. G.D. Maupassant is a very famous French novelist, short story writer, and because Alphonse Daudet was the contemporary of G.D. Maupassant, so his Alphonse Daudet could never get so acclamations and so popularity because of the impression of G.D. Maupassant on the mind of the common people. So this is the background, this is the information about the author. Students, Franco-German, or you can say Franco-Prussian War, which was started in 19 July 1870 and continued till 28 Jan 1871, had made a large impact, had left a very big impact on the mind of the French people, because this war, the result of the war is the German victory. Germans won this war in the leadership of Otto von Bismarck. I have written here Otto von Bismarck, and I know that you have read this whole concept in your standard 10, because this was briefly described in the standard 10 history. So there is not so much thing to be explored and to be said, but I would like to drive your attention in the concept of the war. This war was won by German in the leadership of Otto von Bismarck, and because this was won by Germans in the very big territory of France, so this had brought so many changes in the life of the French people. Students, I would like to tell you that the area which was captured by the Germans was Lorraine and Alsace. These were the two districts of France which was captured by the Germans, and so many changes had come in this area. There were the victory parades by the German started in the French area. The soldiers did the victory parade in a team on the road of the Alsace and Lorraine, and they have just made so many changes. People were forced, the people of France in the defeated area, people were forced to change their language, mother tongue, and their nationalism for France. They were forced to shift their nationalism from France to German. They were forced to learn the German language. They were forced to leave the use of French language. And this is the basic theme of this story. In this story, you will see there is a circular came from Berlin, and according to that circular, the schools of Alsace and Lorraine had to stop immediately. Immediately getting this circular, had to stop. They had to stop. Schools of Alsace and Lorraine had to stop teaching French language in their schools. And because of this order, the whole concept of the chapter was developed by the author Alphonse Daudet. Because this author had experienced the war being a reporter, as a reporter, so he was able to describe the result and the problems and the difficulties faced by the French people who had seen the result of the war in their circumstances, in their society. So this is the background of the story, and in the next part I will start with a summary. But before that, this is my homework to just explore more things related with Franco-Prussian, or you can say Franco-German war. This is a very great history related with this war. So this is your duty to calculate the facts and to just go through the this thing, because this is the duty of the literature people, that they must have the knowledge of the history as well as the present time. So this is my advice, to find something special about this famous war, because you are having lockdown, you have enough time to explore the things, the new things, and you have the time to make yourself strong in the different fields. Yes, I know that this is not your field to go for the facts in the history sections, but yeah, information is the very important thing, and everyone must have the information related with these chapters. Okay, thank you.